Hey, hey, hey. Here we are with another wee citrus twist layout. And these are just a few crazy pictures of my crazy kids. I'm doing a different, I got tired of doing the ones with the strips, so I brought in the layouts where I could do the 4x6s and the 3x4 cards, so I could actually use some of my cards up. But I did use a lot of my alphas, and I brought in some of my alphas from my other sets because on these larger sets you only get one Y. So I used my Y apparently. That's one of the first ones I use, obviously, because I never have it when I went to make all my titles for these last two layouts that I did. I didn't have the Y in any of the packs. So anyway, and I did stamp those dots for, I think they're supposed to be like, oh, I broke my ATG. It was weird, but that was a process in itself, having to fix that. Anyway, I just embellish, I think. Other than doing the sprinklies and the alphas, everything else is from the June kit, citrus twist kit. I'm thinking I'm trying probably to find a stamp, yeah. And I believe this stamp comes from the Make It Unexpected. Yeah. I actually used that one, a few of the stamps from this set. And then I just sprinkle with the different sprinklies that I'm trying to get rid of. The different hearts, and I think I used most of my ephemera pack up. The next page I do, I don't know if it's sitting over on my desk. I can't remember what I do though. I haven't done it yet, so. This is a picture of my daughter when she was younger. And I just thought she was so adorable. Oh yeah, I bring in one of these cameras too. But I thought she was so cute with her little bow in her hair, so. Oh, and some of these circle ones. I end up moving that cluster there on the left around a little bit because I don't like the way it's coming into the picture. That's that main card there. That's just one of the cards that came in the kit. And I guess it was more for journaling, but I didn't journal. Okay, so this is a 4x6 slot down on one of the ends, and I put two of the no, 3x4 cards together. I'm just gonna tape them together. Sorry, the camera was going wonky. And I don't know. These kids of mine are just nuts. That's really just what it boils down to. Just wait for it. Just crazy. That's what they are. Anyway, I do use some of those larger pieces of the ephemera pack though, just kind of to back the pictures there. And I thought it looked well. And those pictures are just as crooked as all day long. And I don't think the flowers were probably a good choice, but I am one of those people that once I've committed to using something, it's going to be used. And that's just what it is. Yeah, so until the day comes where I don't know, something goes awry, I'll probably always be that way, but I don't even know. Gosh. This is why I don't scrapbook chronologically, because I don't like write down dates or anything. But I don't remember when this was. But I was obviously had the guide up on the TV and was trying to find something to watch, and these two crazies were in there in my room. I don't know if I might have been making cards or something on the bed, but no, actually I wasn't, and you'll see in a few minutes why I wasn't. Those enamel dots that I used on that card, or have been using, are actually from the Studio Calico kit. Oh no, they weren't on the bed. Okay, so yeah, I may have been, but okay. So, yeah, longest title ever. Can I just say that real quick? But, I thought it was cute because I brought in the E's in a different color. And also for it to just be a little bit different. And that quickly on the left there, or right, excuse me, was actually from like the very first Citrus Twist kit I've ever gotten, and it had everything but the eye. So I thought that was pretty cute. So that worked out good, I thought. Anyway, these are my weirdo kids. I tell you, I think that's one of the best parts about scrapbooking, is seeing your kids. And this is my son when he was considerably younger. I used to let them help me cook, and he was oh gosh, I didn't realize I plugged it in too far. He was he was putting that in the oven. I most likely took it out of the oven for him. There we go. Okay. Glad I realized that. But yeah, I used to let them help me back when they were younger, to just get them in the kitchen a little bit. Gosh, he's in his school uniform, it looks like, so he's in school. But Anyway, these are when they were younger, but what I was trying to say before I got caught up in the picture, it's just looking back, you know, and seeing them when they were so much younger, and just appreciating how far we've come. I just ghost stamped that. That's actually from the monthly stamp set, the Out to Live. I just wrap up these cards. One of them I don't do anything to, I don't think. This was just, they were at like some event at their school, and they had fire trucks there, and I grabbed a picture of them on the inside there. That's about it, though. I think I'll bring you out in a minute and show you the whole picture of everything, and I appreciate you sticking around and listening to me ramble. Or not ramble, I'm kind of tired. Sorry guys, low energy today. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you next time. And I hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, I wrote some journaling on that left side there, and that pineapple one I just add some enamels to. So you guys have a great afternoon. See you later.